Google's got a shiny new version of Wear OS on the way that finally makes it feel a little bit less like someone shrunk an Android phone down to fit your wrist. This is the third, and probably the biggest change to the smartwatch OS since it was first announced in 2014. Some of the changes here are relatively small. Notifications are now presented in a more scroll-friendly format, and there's an Android Pay shortcut in the pull-down settings panel. But it all adds up to an OS that feels faster and more focused. Google tweaked the interface to get you the information you need quickly and then get out of the way. If you're spending more than just 5 seconds looking at your watch, something has gone terribly wrong. The company's design team figured there are 2 reasons, besides telling the time, that you're likely to want a smartwatch: fitness tracking and talking to Google Assistant. Both are just a quick swipe away in the new Wear OS. To the left is Google Fit widget with step counts and heart points, and to the right is Assistant, ready to feed you updates about delayed flights or weather forecasts. And of course, you can just tap the microphone icon to add appointments, send a text message, or confirm that, believe it or not, Groundhog Day did not open on Groundhog Day. Someone really screwed up there.
Ned Ryerson, I did the whistling belly button trick at the high school talent show. Bing! Bing!
I'm sure the big question for most of you is, will I get the update, and when? Well, chances are you will. Basically any watch that is running Wear OS 2.0 will get it, with one notable exception, the Moto 360. And you can expect Google to start rolling out the new version sometime in mid-September, though obviously we can't say when exactly it will hit individual watches. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.